university has also trained people.
Distinguished guests hosting us. Indeed, for your information.
What's happening is that persons with disabilities who are not registering, who are not registered, are missing up to register on SHA. Because when they reach there, they stop. So my appeal is that if we can make it free, make it easier, make it faster for persons with disabilities.
Otherwise, as a county government and even the national government, will try to make sure that you are also included, because it was not your desire to be what you are. Just like I was saying, it can happen to you anytime.
This is an opportunity for the communities, organizations and governments to raise awareness, promote inclusion and take action to improve the lives of people with disabilities.